Listen, Africa, to all my people from Africa, those that are clamoring or those that are planning to come abroad, just know that it is of your advantage. If you know you are broke, like I usually say, if you know that your income or your capital is less than 10 million naira, come abroad. You really need to come abroad. And when I'm talking abroad, ask of the countries you need to come. Don't just come to any country. If you want, you can go on my DM and ask me, and I will recommend countries that are good for you. As somebody who have been living in Europe for 25 years, I know the best countries, and I know every place you want to go in Europe that will be beneficial to you. But that is not why I'm here today. I am here today because I want to teach my African brothers, or rather, I want to tell my African brothers something very important. Don't come to Europe to come to live a stable life. Please. It is not bad. It is not bad to live small, uncomfortable, and save capital. It is not bad. And if you know you are in Europe and you are working for 10 years or more, just know that something is wrong with your brain. Our plan as Africans coming to Europe is supposed to be for us to come here and generate some cash and start our own business. Don't work for some slave trade. Those days have gone. Slave trade have been abolished. Guys, let's not be putting ourselves into slavery. Come abroad, work for a while, raise money, and start a business of your own, guys. That is the best way. If you don't understand, or if you don't learn how to do something that have to do with you, you are going nowhere. Like my friend said in Rich Father, Poor Father, he said that salary is the opium that they give you for you not to think properly. But whenever you start to think about breaking that chain and become boss of yourself, that's when you are woken. So please, guys, if we come abroad, let's focus on how to raise money and start something that we can do and call ourselves boss. Because working for somebody is just helping that person to become millionaire. You need to start to work for you. It's gonna take time. Working for you is gonna take time. Building, investing, we're gonna take you time, but at least you will reap what you sow in future. So don't just live a stable life of a steady income and you think that everything is okay. No, it's not okay. Age is not stable. Age is shrinking every day. Age is going down every day. There will be a time that you will not be able to work as you were working when you were 20s. So my advice is for you to, most of you that are coming abroad now, come abroad, raise money, start a business of your own, and stick on it. And when you want to start business, start that one you are perfect at, the one you are good at. Don't just do because people have done. No. Focus on what you want to do and put 100% in there what you want to do, and you make it. And when you make it, you come back and thank me because I tried it, it worked. Thank you.